Welcome back, everyone. I'm Dr. Tracy Anderson, the developer at the MP Lab, where we focus on analysis-driven architecture to strip away that market inducement and focus on true institutional intent. Today, we're going to load the MP Systematic Trading Assembly into NinjaTrader 8. So let's get straight to it. The first thing you're going to want to do is come into Discord. You'll have access to the Elite Lounge, under which you'll find the NT8 package and package downloads. You open up that channel, and you will then find the MP Systematic Trading zip file that you'll need to download to your downloads folder. Then come to your NinjaTrader Control Center. We're going to come to Tools. The first thing you're going to want to check is remove NinjaScript assembly in case you have an older version or a conflicting assembly. You click on that. You'll be able to verify the assembly that you currently have. Always check the version number to make sure you're loading an update. Once you've removed that, you can come back to Tools, and you want to import a NinjaScript add-on. So we click on this. That'll bring us to our Explorer, where we come into our downloads and we click on our zip file. Installation import into NinjaTrader requires the zip file. Once you do that, you're going to get a couple of windows verifying that you do in fact want to install this add-on. Of course, we click OK, and you restart your instance of NinjaTrader. Once NinjaTrader fires back up, you are going to get a prompt to enter your license key. That will have been given to you by myself or one of the support staff. And once that's entered, then you can activate your license. And at that point in time, you are ready to go and use the MP Systematic Trading tools. Thank you very much. Until next time, when we have another tip on the use of NinjaTrader.